Well, I don't know about the rest of you, but I thought that was a very rough landing.
I liked it.
But I don't think it was the pilot's fault. I know it wasn't the co-pilot's fault. I think it was the asphalt.
I think it was nobody's fault.
Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit Airlines would like to be the first to welcome you to Dallas-Fort Worth, where the local time is approximately 11:49 a.m. We do apologize for getting you here 30 minutes early. Make sure you tell your friends, because I know you tell them when we get you here 30 minutes late. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while we make our way to the gate. Once we make our way to the gate, Captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign. That's your one indication that it's safe to get up. Please use caution when opening up those overhead bins, as items do tend to shift during flight. This is also known as shift happens. If you are going through withdrawals from your portable electronic device, you may now use it if it's within reach. If you are continuing on to another Spirit Airlines destination, please check the monitors in the terminal or ask a gate agent for assistance. For those passengers requiring special assistance, such as wheelchairs, please remain on board until the majority of the passengers have deplaned, as wheelchairs will not be available until the end of the deplaning process. This will allow us to better assist you. So by a show of hands, how many is this your very first time on Spirit Airlines? Oh wow, I've got quite a few of you. Well, we'd like to invite you to visit our website at www.spirit.com. Enter those positive comments about your flight experience and your very attractive flight crew. If you have a negative comment, we do take those very seriously. We have a special website set up for you. www.delta.com. They like to hear about that stuff. We'd like to thank you for spending part of your morning with us. We wish you safe travels wherever the rest of the day may take you, and if Dallas is home, we'll be the first to welcome you home.